had a leak still coming. As you can see, the leak, I did this repair prior. It still holds just fine, no problem. There was a big leak there from the polybutylene, but I used adapters and some PEX and kind of fixed that whole thing up. But now you can see the leak is here, and it's coming from the sink here. So when you run it, water's coming down from there. So we're gonna get that. I'll show you where that's coming from. So when the water was leaking, it's, you know, small drips from that area. Now this, I mean, that could all be coming from up there though. I don't think that's leaking there itself. Once I fix that, I think that's just, you know, I don't think that's that. Yeah, see how it's dripping? So, yeah, when you run that sink. All right, so we're installing this now. Got the silicone around it. Install it. Got to put into the sink. Got the little rubber in. All right, and we're gonna get in here and hook it all back up using our handy dandy wrench. Alright, so I changed the sink out, and just trying to see here. I don't see any more drips right now. I have the water shut off upstairs to the sink. I did turn this supply line that goes up there back on. Just checking this out. There was a lot of water that was dripping. I don't see anything anymore, just where it's wet, been wet for a while. All right, so let's go back up. Check the sink out, make sure no more water's dripping. Okay, so with the new sink in, let's have a look. Okay, let's turn the supply lines on. All right. This. That drip that I had noticed before is no longer. It's gone. All right. gas supply valve is starting to wear out here a little, but just when you turn it, I guess. Those are common to go bad as you turn them, but then they stop once they settle. Well, let's just check it a little more here. Get a little dry just to make sure that doesn't need replaced too at some point. That's pretty dry, I guess. It's just when it turns. That's a common thing. As long as there's no active leak, we're fine. Yeah, it's dry. It's just when it turns. It's fine for now. And then everything's real dry up here like it should be now. No more drips going down to there. Let's go down to the basement next. Just make sure that it's not dripping down there at all, actively. Make sure hot, cold. That closes okay. Alright. Okay, so this is fully running. Yeah, the leaks have stopped. Yeah. I mean, that's just where it's been wet though. I don't see any active leaking at all. That's just from the wood where it's soaked through for a while. We'll observe that further, but I don't see any leaks no more. Nothing active. Yeah. Yeah, that's where the drain pipe is coming through. I can hear it. It's all good. I'd say it's good now. Yeah, there's nothing dripping. I think it's pretty good.